Some MIDI controllers use color to indicate when a button is in use or what state it's in. Let's go over how this works, along with how we can customize the colors of button states using the Akai APC40 MK2. Here's a composition preloaded with some clips. The APC40 is connected, so let's load the APC40 MK2 shortcuts preset by pressing Command or Ctrl-Shift-M to edit MIDI shortcuts. Under the Shortcuts tab, we'll select the APC40 MK2 preset from the drop-down menu. Notice that the APC40's buttons are illuminated with color. Let's exit shortcuts by pressing Escape. Before we trigger the first clip on layer 1, notice that the button on the APC40 is currently cyan. When this button is pressed, its state is changed and the color changes to pink. We can change this color based on its state. Let's edit our MIDI shortcuts and click on the assigned shortcut of this button. At the bottom of the Shortcuts panel on the right is MIDI out velocity. Status indicates the state of the button. By clicking on the drop-down menu, we can see the various states of this clip shortcut. For a clip, the state when it is triggered is the connected status. Changing the color is as simple as clicking on the velocity drop-down. Notice that the current color is 52, which is the pink color on our button. Let's change this to purple. Number 48 will do. We'll also change the disconnected status, the state when the clip is not triggered. Let's make this orange, number 60. Now when we exit Shortcuts mode and clear the layer, the assigned button is now orange to indicate the disconnected state, and when we trigger the clip, it is now purple in the connected state. The 5 states a clip trigger can have are as follows: empty, when no clip occupies a clip slot; connected, when a clip is triggered; disconnected, when a clip remains in a slot but is not triggered; previewing, when a clip is being previewed; connected and previewing, when a clip is triggered and also being previewed. Some buttons on a MIDI controller may not have color options. For example, let's assign the master bypass to this button on the APC40. Note that not every shortcut has 5 states, as seen here. For its on state, we can make it blink when activated. Under the velocity dropdown, we can choose the number 2, blink. We'll exit shortcuts and press the button on the APC40. Master bypass is now activated, which is indicated by the blinking button we assigned. Use the methods we've demonstrated to have more control over how your MIDI controller looks and feels, in addition to providing visual indicators to keep everything manageable in any situation.